Hello dear traders, you're watching the weekly review of financial markets with me, Anna Kasatkina. Stocks rose last Friday as investors built on the market's strongest start to a year in nearly 3 decades. The S&P 500 ended the day up at 2,803.69 points, closing above 2,800 for the first time since November 8. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed 110.32 points higher at 26,026.32 points as Nike and Chevron outperformed. The Nasdaq Composite advanced to 7,595.35, led by gains in Amazon. Friday's moves come a day after the major indices posted solid monthly gains in February, pushing the S&P 500 to its best start to a year since 1991. The S&P 500 is up by more than 11% for the year, along with the Dow. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, is up more than 14%. Weakening trade tensions between the US and China, along with declining fears of tighter monetary policy from the Federal Reserve, helped drive stocks higher to kick off 2019. Stocks came off their highs on Friday on the back of disappointing economic news releases, reflecting some weakness in US macroeconomic indicators. In corporate news, shares of Tesla dropped by more than 7% after CEO Elon Musk said the company would not turn a profit for the first quarter. Tesla launched its standard Model 3 car, which starts at $35,000. However, analysts were unimpressed by the announcement. Meanwhile, Amazon shares rose by nearly 2% after the Wall Street Journal reported the company had plans to open its own grocery store chain at a lower price point than Whole Foods. Shares of Kroger took a beating on the news, sliding by more than 4%. And this was the weekly review of financial markets prepared for you by InstaTV team. See you next week. Bye.